Bonjour world. On the channel, I often review the websites of the best freelancers and agencies in the world. But I think that sometimes it can be also super fun and interesting to see your website, the website you sent me, so we can have a better idea of what normal developers all over the world can do. So, according to this stat found on a very random website on the internet, I found that in average, people spend 45 seconds on a website. It is not a lot. So let's imagine that on a portfolio, you stay a little bit longer, like 1 minute, because you put some juicy effects everywhere on the web page. So this video will be about my 1 minute reactions to your website, and it's starting right now. So let's start with Romain Marcazan. We can notice a good introduction with some cool transition on the loading page. This text is coming from the side. This huge background image is a little bit too different from your homepage, I think. Maybe you should change. Why some drag and drop here? Interesting. Maybe it's just to show your skill. That's I can understand it, but be careful. Don't show exactly all you can do, because all you can do can result in a strange page. Okay, and at the end you put a little bit of 3D to see that you master some 3GS. The website is small. This first page is cool. The technology here serves well the purpose, so I think it's cool, it's funny, and it's always nice to put some extra juiciness on the contact page. And you did this project to train yourself. That's very cool. Doing some clone of some websites is one of the best things to progress. So congratulations, my friend Romain. So this is the time of Nicolas Klipfel, and this is a very cool introduction, my friend. You have some interesting effects that showcase the skills you have. Okay, GIMP, Git, this is everything you can do. You can change here for sphere. Wow, that's a neat effect. That's cool. I don't know if it's a library you found somewhere, but I like it a lot. The language, Molière or Shakespeare. That's a cool way to say French and English. I appreciate. Good joke here. Everything is a little bit geeky, like with tags everywhere. So let's see the other page. You do some front-end stuff. You have your technology here. Wow, my god, I love this hover effect. How you did this, my friend? It's super interesting. Is it some CSS, SVG morphing? What is it? I'm intrigued here. You will tell me in the comments, I hope. Thanks. Okay, so we have some 3GS in the opening with a strange animation. So Java console, we go on your website. There is this door, so let's open. Okay, a very trippy hover effect in function of the movement of the mouse. The effect is a little bit weird. I don't think it's... No, it's so la la. It's okay, not okay in the same time. I don't know why. Corentin de Montpellier with some 3GS also here. So if we click maybe here, what's happening? Come on, Corentin, you have only 1 minute, so what's happening when I click here? Ah, okay, it takes me on another website you did. Maybe you should open your link in new Windows, my friend. It would be cooler to browse your website, I think, Corentin. So congrats, it's a good thing. I'm not sure about this over effect, but the rest is kind of cool, simple, it works well. And it's time for next one. So the next one, we are in your room, in your office. This is strange, but I have a question for you. When I say this, I have a question. I think that the desk is cool, but the wall behind is a background image. So yes, this is exactly what I thought. When you resize the window, you have an optical effect, very interesting, where your room is becoming smaller, but the desk is getting closer and closer to you, it seems. Very funny. So you have this small Minitel stuff, I think. Okay, and you can see here stuff. It's a little bit small, but still cool. I mean, you don't use a lot of space of your screen, my friend. My resume, contact, it's well done. Project, we can see your different project. And how does it behave in mobile? Maybe it's for this reason that you use only this small area of your screen. So yeah, okay, on mobile, it's a strange experience. We only see the screen, but it's still okay. You should have maybe done some breakpoint and media query. You could have used more space on your big screen and better use this phone resolution. But that's okay, that's cool. I think you did a good job, Guillaume. Well done. Wow, so funny. 2 consecutive websites are like desktop simulation. That's cool. This one is a little step further, the first one. But basically you have the same option. You can change the background, blah, blah, blah. That's cool, that reacts pretty well. Liruma NFT Marketplace, okay. Map from GeoIP. Ah, this is all your projects here, okay. I like your portfolio, my friend. It showcases a lot of skills, but it stays also a little bit elegant. And you can show what you want to show on it. So mission done for your project, I think. And is it something? You should have put some stuff in your recycle bin, like maybe some porn. But you should have put something like this in your trash bin. It would have been a good, like, private joke. I don't know. Or maybe no, don't listen to me. It's a bad idea. Bad joke. Do it. Do it. So now it's the turn of Munir.org. Wow, you did find a pretty cool domain name, Munir.org. It's strange that it was available, but cool. So what is this effect right here, right now? It's a little bit strange. This 3D effect on Munir El Yagoubi. Munir, I don't understand what is going on with your effect here. And it's supposed to... Strange. But, okay. I think your background is making my computer suffer a little bit because it's a 3GS or 3D stuff with a canvas, with a lot of stuff taxing my GPU right now. OBS is struggling a lot to encode your stuff. So, okay, these buttons are not quite cool. You should center everything, align, center stuff, because it's strange to have everything stacked on top, I think. These cards are a little bit not sexy enough. This website is a little bit strange, Munir. Yeah, too much things moving everywhere, and less is more, my friend. Less is more. I think you could find a way better thing by removing a little bit of effect somewhere. It lacks a little bit of homogeneity, I think. And already one of the last one with the website of Dorian. Okay, the transition is cool. It's elegant here. Everything is fine. I like it. The fade-in is cool. The font family is nice. There is not too much, but enough to be like, okay, that's cool, but is it all? Ah, okay, so you have a menu. Cool. Ah, you could have put some images on over here. Like when you're on about, like you're on every side. Would have been really nice. So, projects. Okay. I like this card. Ah, it's a little bit glitching, but I suspect it's my computer that has some struggle right now. Responsive portfolio, learn more. You have some transition between pages? Wow, I appreciate. Bonjour, hello, hola, guten tag. Future project. Ah, okay, it's placeholder stuff for now. And contact, do you have something fancy? Okay, you know, I enjoy this kind of small and simple website that at least are homogeneous, that still showcase some good point, good things to see about your skill, but not too much things like the previous website, like Munir website. You see, Munir, I don't want to be bad with you or whatever. It's not my point. It's just when you compare the two websites, this one, you feel home. You feel good. Congrats, Dorian. It was good. Good job. So let's check this last website, Forbidden Story. The guy who sent it to me told me it has not done all the website, but this special page, this particular page, has been done by himself. So, Pegasus projects. So it's basically a list of articles. So we can filter by, ooh, I see something that I don't appreciate at all, my friend. This offset here, when you hover this thing, it's really, really disturbing. I don't like it. And this is the kind of detail you should pay attention a lot, my friends, because it contributes too much to the user experience. Look at this. So if you click, okay, it sorts everything out. Okay, grid carousel, but I saw something really strange. What's going on here, my friend? Why is it empty at the beginning and then there is the text inside? What's going on? You are loading everything dynamically with some JavaScript? Maybe for translation, maybe? I don't know, but it's really strange, my friend, this effect here. So let's check. Okay, the gallery is cool. I like the over effect, but there is something really strange. First time of my life I see something like this. Your grid is like, this one is growing on the right, this one is growing on the right, and this one growing on the left. That's a strange gallery, but it works well, so I cannot say nothing. If you click, what's happening? You have the card opening itself in big, but yeah, good transition between the two states of the card. That's cool. You should have blocked maybe the scroll when a card is open, I think. It would have been better. What is it in the rest of the page? Project, okay. Again, a very strange over effect, my friend. I don't understand what's going on between these two buttons, but okay. That's a cool page. There is some good things, but really, pay attention to this kind of details here. This is glitchy and this is pretty bad. And this stuff is strange also. Oh my friend, it's already over and I spoiled myself a little bit. I checked all the coming websites. There is such a huge level on some of these websites right here, but I think it will be for a coming video. If you like this first episode, just say it in the comments and I will do the second one really soon. Don't worry. If the concept works, I do it. It works like this on YouTube. You like, I do. You don't say nothing, you let me like a shit on the road. I don't do nothing, I stop working for you, okay? That's all what I wanted to say. So thank you for having watched this video until so far. It's a good pleasure. It's my second video in English. I still struggle a little bit, but I'm getting better and better, so don't worry and subscribe to see my progress in English and for you to progress in web development stuff. Thank you for watching.